Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Place, friends. How y'all doing today? Well, y'all, I'm out in my shop and I got this 2005 Ford Sport Trac, and I'm going to be taking the engine out. It is a 4.0 single overhead cam engine, and the reason I'm having to take this engine out is you see right here on this valve cover, the timing chain tensioner guides, they just broke, and it broke out the the valve cover right here. And this engine has right at getting close to 300,000 miles on it. So instead of replacing the timing chain guides and everything, it's gonna be a lot easier just to go ahead and replace its engine. We'll rebuild the engine. This is my brother's vehicle, so he ordered an engine from Jasper Engines and Transmissions. So that's going to be the engine I'll be putting in here. And I just want to bring y'all along, and like I said, I won't give a detail by, each step I'm going to do. I'll just, show you the progress as I, go along. All right, y'all, got the front of it taken loose here. And I got the intake off. And y'all can see right in here some squirrely stuff been going on down in here. So I'll get that all cleaned up, and or I could just leave it, but I'm just going ahead and do a vacuum on it and clean some of that mess up before I pull it out here. And just want to show y'all what I got done so far. So far everything's went all right, so I'll bring y'all back later when I get a little bit further along. I got pretty much everything I've done here that I need taken loose here. Got my bell housing bolts out, flywheel bolts out, transmission brace up under it, and got my engine hoist here hooked up to it. So I'm fixing to get ready to go ahead and pull this engine out. Well, I'm gonna need you to help me put this back in, okay? Can you help Dave put it back in? Got this engine out finally, and tomorrow morning I'll be putting that engine, the new engine, on the engine stand, and we'll be getting parts off of this, getting it swapped over. Got a new valve cover, of course, going to be putting on it, and we'll be getting it set up to get ready to put it back in. All right, Bubba, you ready to go to bed? All right. If you got a stud like this right here that won't come out and it's frozen, just put you a exhaust nut up on there, or a nut, and just run it up like that right there. And then you want to take you another one and just run it up to it. Then you can take you a wrench, come in like this right here. Well, it's not tight enough, y'all. Let me put this camera down, and I'll get right back with you here. All right, y'all, just get you a wrench and just break it right loose right there. Now, like I said, let's work on any kind of studded bolts you have. And another thing, if you turn it and the nut starts backing off, just get you, another wrench, 2 wrenches, and just keep tightening this nut up against this right here, because if it's not tight enough, it'll just kind of back off. So I just want to give you all a little quick tip. I got everything on it that I want to put back on it before I put it in. I just get ready right now to go ahead and drop it back in here and kind of show you around it right there. I just did a real thorough cleaning on my bolts. Put some new exhaust studs in, nuts, and got everything good and clean. Got a new valve cover right here, and water pump and everything, new harmonic balancer. So we're fixing to get ready to drop it back in there. All right, y'all, just got this engine all put back together, and we're going to give it a try here. I got my brother out here. He's going to check it out, make sure it ain't got no leaks, and I'm going to do a break-in, raise RPMs up on the initial break-in. So hopefully everything works out all right. Here we go. We got good oil pressure. What I'm doing here, I'm just right now I'm holding about 1500 RPM, and I'm gonna let it run here, and we're just gonna let it go back and forth there, just different RPMs, just doing that initial break-in. So what I'm doing, I'm just keeping a check on my coolant temps and oil pressure. All right, y'all, everything doing good right now, and I'm just fixing to top off the transmission fluid, and I'm going to double check and make sure the coolant's been topped off, and I just got to recharge the AC system, and then get the hood back on it, and we'll be ready to take this back out, and he can take it home with him, and hopefully it lasts a long time. And appreciate y'all coming along, and as always, friends, for my family, yours, y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you later. Bye bye.